Hey, what's up, Zilliqa holders? This is good day for Zilliqa holders because all currency is going down, but one of Zilliqa is going off. This is very good news for Zilliqa holders. This is live price predication of Zilliqa. You just click on the subscribe button and press the all option notification for latest update. I updating you any hour. This is last 1 hour result. You can check here the last 1 hour result, and let's see that the change of highest 0.49%. Absolutely good change for Zilliqa holder because all currency is going down, but they one who's taking off, going off. Okay, let's see this highest change as 0.1634 US dollar. Absolutely good result. This is absolutely good result. So okay, let's check out the last 2 hour result. I hope they are also good. Oh my goodness, they are not good. They are not good. But the 1 hour result is absolutely going. So I think this is going off, and the last 1 hour you see at okay. So let's see this minus 1.99% result change. So this is very bad. So I hope they cross easily today $1 and 0.167, as this is the highest change of Zilliqa. So thanks for watching, guys. This is live price prediction. For latest updates, I updating you any hour. Just click on the subscribe button and press the bell icon for all videos notification. Allah Hafiz, take care.